Hello, everyone. Today, we will explore how to connect our Google form with Google Sheets. Specifically, how to transfer responses from Google Forms directly into a Google Sheet. So, what do we need to do for this? We need to go to the Responses section. Here, we will already see analytics on the responses collected by the form itself. To link it to a spreadsheet, we go to Link to Sheets. Here, we have two options. Either we can create a new spreadsheet or we can add it to an existing one. Let's first try creating a new spreadsheet. Click Create. And after that, the spreadsheet where your responses will be saved will open immediately. Accordingly, a spreadsheet is created, along with a sheet where your responses will be stored. Now let's go back. After you have established the link, you will now see View in Sheets. This means you can access your spreadsheet directly from the form at any time. If, for example, you initially created a new spreadsheet but later decide to change this setting and link it to an existing one instead, you need to go to the settings and select Unlink Form. As a result, your form will no longer be linked to the spreadsheet. Now we can add the second option. Click Link to Sheets again and select Existing Spreadsheet. Click Select and choose the spreadsheet where you want to store the responses. In this case, I selected the Answers spreadsheet. Click Insert, and after that, the data will be displayed in our spreadsheet. This is very convenient when you need to collect responses from multiple forms into a single spreadsheet. For instance, last time I created a form, extracted its responses, and linked it to this spreadsheet. And now this form is linked to it as well. That's all for today. Give it a like if you enjoyed the video. If you still have any questions, ask them in the comments.